Good morning, it's Sunday. Sea day, our first sea day. Left Miami yesterday in the pouring rain. It is actually spectacularly beautiful out today. The rain stopped, the sun is shining, and I don't know if you can hear or not, but the waves are crashing by. Calm seas, so it's actually quite nice out here on the cove balcony. This is our first cove balcony that we've ever had, so it's a pretty interesting experience because we're only a couple decks above the water. We're just getting our day started here. Gonna go out, walk around. Some of our group is already at the pool deck, sitting in some chairs. We're gonna go see them. Probably gonna do some sea day brunch here in a little bit. Some other parties in our group have some cooking classes scheduled for this morning. It should be an action-packed first day. Carrie and Mylan, and Cecily and Chrissy doing the cooking class. This morning they're doing the pasta class.
Can we not?
No. So just Mia and I headed to brunch today here on the Festival dining room on deck 6 aft. She's really excited for the French toast, which is the whole reason that we're really here, because I could have skipped. Good morning. Gluten-free steak and eggs. I ordered double meat and a side of bacon, which I did not get either of those. And Mia got the French toast. Are you happy, Mia? Mia and I finished brunch, and we went back to the room, put our swimsuits on, and then we left because the guy was there to clean the room. And we are gonna head up to deck 16 in the back of the ship, try to find anyone else.
Deck 16.
Pool here on 16 aft is popping today. What's up, ladies? Brian? What's going on?
Sitting in the pool.
Is that right?
Here we are at the pool. Daddy, you cannot jump in.
Alright, just got off the elevator down here on deck 5. Spent the whole day out on deck 16 aft. It was incredibly hot, so spent most of the afternoon in the pool, which was definitely the place to be. It was quite refreshing, but had a few snacks And I'm headed back to the room to get cleaned up for dinner. Maybe see some music, definitely see comedy. And then it's a formal night tonight. Filet mignon. Formal night. Headed out for pictures. Music, comedy, dinner. Walking from the front of the ship towards the back of the ship on deck 6. There's a show here in the center stage later this evening. Sitting here at Latitude's Bar, deck 6, listening to solo guitar sounds. Just a few minutes before we go up one floor, deck 7, for the PG comedy show at the Limelight Lounge. So me and I are just sitting here chilling, enjoying some music before we have some more fun.
I got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, got the month of May. Yes, you say what that made me feel this way. My girl, talking down my girl. Tell me lies, tell me lies. Oh no, you can't disguise. You can't disguise, no you can't disguise. Tell me lies, tell me sweet little lies. Tell me lies.
Apply sunscreen. All right, everybody. Well, welcome inside the Limelight Lounge. My name is Sophia. I'm your PG Comedy Club host. I'm all the way from Nashville, Tennessee. Any Tennesseans in the room? Amazing. Oh, hi. Welcome. All right, y'all. Well, I just want to say that I just got back to working on cruise ships. I was on a 2-month vacation. I joined not this cruise, but the cruise before. And this vacation, I went to France.
Quite the line to get in for formal night.
You can tell I wore my formal polo this evening.
Name brand.
Everyone, put your hands up, touching hands,
Watch my sunburn.
reaching out, touching you. Sweet Caroline.
Deck 16.
Just had a delicious formal. First formal night dinner. And I'm gonna head back here, see if we can't enjoy the hot tub. Deck 16 aft. What a great ending to our first ski day. Just spinning it out here in the hot tub. We're heading off to bed. It's pretty low key. A few people in the pool. We got our crowd over here in the hot tub.